So here's section B of Gossec Gavotte. We're going to work on those quarter notes. The quarter notes are nice and smooth. We're going to see if we can do this all in one take. Okay, so here we go. So they are arpeggio-like, and here we go. First set. So you see nice and connected. Here we go again. And just like in the first section, there's going to be a circle at the end. Third time. And because we don't have to stop, then the circle can be part of that last note. Fourth time. Excellent. Now the next one is a GBD, so we're going to balance our B, and then our third finger is going to do that hop. Here we go. Deep breath. And a circle. Right? Here we go. Excellent. Third time. And our fourth. Ready? Great. Our next one has a retard written below it. And if you remember retard, something we've been doing for a long time is a slowing down. And we want it to be a little gradual. But here, it's actually going to be a little bit obvious, because then we're going to go right back into tempo. We're going to go back to the original speed that we were at before. So we have an open A C natural, and then remember a flexible thumb back here for a fourth finger. And depending on the size of your hand, how you need to support that curved pinky and keep that nice straight line in your left hand. Here we go, deep breath. And a circle. Okay, I guess we could make an even bigger retard. Here we go. And a circle. Here we go. Great. Last time. A, C natural, fourth finger, E. Great. And then the very last one is actually a flashback to section A. We're going to have our martelé. All right. So those are all of the different quarter notes that we will have in section B. Now let's go back, and we're going to do eighth note section. And they're going to start soft, then mezzo piano, then mezzo forte, and then we drop down to piano again. So right now, as we're practicing it, the dynamic is going to be a little challenging to be convincing because we're going a little bit slower, and we're going to be more focused with our left hand and what string are we on and so on. But the way we will get to emphasize or magnify the dynamic will be in our weight and in our location. We'll still be in the same part of our bow, but we may be closer to the fingerboard, right, and not put as much weight. That'll be our piano. We maybe get closer to the bridge to get louder, yeah, and then add more weight. So those are the ways that we will emphasize that dynamic difference. So here we go. Here's our piano. We're going to change into thirds here. So we're going to open A, C natural, B, D, and then a little scale down, starting with a C natural, B, A, G. All right, so we've got to do that little elbow preparation to get to the D string. Here we go. Here's the scale. Excellent. Here's the second time. Deep breath. Something I forgot to mention, but you just heard, we're going to keep the eighth notes staccato. Here we go again. Now, of course, you've been listening to recordings, so even though I forgot to mention it, you probably already knew that was going to be that way because of your good listening skills. Here's another repetition of that. Deep breath. Great. All right, so now our next one is going to start with a B, still in third. So B to D, C natural to a fourth finger E, and then starting from our D, we're going to go down the scale. So D, C natural, B, A. Here we go. Ready? And then here's our scale down. Excellent. Here we go again, starting on a B. Scale down. Good. Nice stoppy and sticky bows. Here we go. Again, number 3. I added that little break for where the scale was. In this last one here, I'm going to have it be all continuous. Ready? Deep breath. Okay, great. Our next one. Our next one has a few little doubles, but they're offset by 1. So we're going to start with our fourth finger, and then double, 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 and then an open A alone. Here we go. So it's a different pattern here. So we're going to start with our fourth finger E. You can check it. There we go. Not that you'll have time to do that when we're playing it through, but since we're practicing it, you want to get that hand nice and open. Here we go. Great. A nice little descent, right? Going down. Deep breath. Excellent. Climb back up again. Deep breath. Beautiful. And again. Excellent. And now our last one, we're going to practice this in 2 sets of 4. Actually, in sets of 2, and then 2 sets of 4, and then we'll put it together. So, because it's a challenge. So here we go. We're going to do a D to a B. Then we're going to go over to the D string and do F sharp to G. Then go back to the A string to C natural and A. Then back to the D string for E and F sharp. And that's all our sets of 2. Let's try that again. D to B, deep breath. F sharp and G, deep breath. C natural to A. And our last 2 are E and F sharp. Great. So we're going back and forth. A string, D string, A string, D string. Different. Yeah. So let's try it again. Ready, and D string, A string, D string. Yeah. Knowing we're going back and forth helps to prepare with our left hand and our right hand. Last time. Ready? D string, A string, D string. Now let's try in sets of 4. So we're going to do an A and a D string, and then an A and a D string combination. Here we go. Ready? Deep breath. Then C natural A, and then we'll go back to the D string. Excellent. Let's try that again. So D to B, F sharp to G. 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Deep breath. Then C natural to open A, E to F sharp. To open 1, 2. Here we go. Deep breath. Excellent. Here we go again. Same thing. A to D string, a set of 4, a little break, and then again an A to D string combination. Here we go. Deep breath. Back to the A, C natural. Awesome. Here we go again. Ready? C natural to open A, and we'll end up on the D string. Here we go. Bravo. All right, now we're going to try to make that little break in between disappear. Here we go. C natural. Excellent. Here we go again. Ready, and C natural. Bravo. A third time. Excellent. One more time. Great. Here ends the introduction of the different parts of Gossec Gavotte Section B. Please repeat and practice with this recording as often as you need in order to make it comfortable.